Hi everyone, I'm going to teach you how to wear your contact lenses.
Dip your forefinger to the contact lens. This way, you'll prevent damage to the lens. Make sure it's in a bowl shape. If an edge is touching, then you won't be able to put it. So make sure it's in the right position. Now let's place it in. Pull your lower lid down with your middle finger. With your other hand, lift your upper lid together with your eyelashes. Put the contact lens in your eye directly. Twitching is a normal eye reflex, but you'll have to control it. So let's do it again and again. Then do the same with the other eye. There's also the indirect way. It was easier for me when I was starting out, but it's not the most safest way clinically. Okay, so let's take it out now.
I hope you guys enjoy.